Credit cards with $500 plus sign-up bonuses, no annual fee. 2025 Guide. If you're looking for a way to earn free money just for using a credit card the smart way, you're in the right place. In this guide, we're diving deep into the best credit cards with $500 or more in sign-up bonuses and absolutely no annual fee. Yes, they do exist. These offers allow you to pocket real cash or travel rewards without paying a dime in annual fees. Why sign-up bonuses matter. Credit card sign-up bonuses, also called welcome offers, are one of the fastest and easiest ways to earn big rewards. Unlike cashback programs that accumulate slowly over time, welcome bonuses give you a lump sum of $500 or more often within 3 months of opening the card. And when there's no annual fee, it's pure upside. How they work. Most no-fee credit cards with large bonuses require you to spend a specific amount, like $3,000 to $5,000, within a specific time frame, typically 90 days. Once you hit that spending requirement, the bonus posts to your account usually as cashback, points, or miles. White heavy check mark why you want a no annual fee card. Annual fees aren't always bad, but they chip away at your net rewards. A card that offers a $500 bonus with a $95 fee, in reality, only nets you $405. With no annual fee cards, the bonus is real money in your pocket. And if you keep the card long term, it helps build credit history without costing you anything. Trophy best credit cards with $500 plus sign-up bonuses, no annual fee. Here are the top performing cards in 2025 that offer at least $500 in sign-up bonuses and don't charge an annual fee. 1. Chase Inc. Business Unlimited Registered Trademark Credit Card. Briefcase best for business owners and freelancers. Money Bag Bonus, $750 cashback, as Chase Ultimate Rewards Registered Trademark Points. Bullseye Spend Requirement, $6,000 in first 3 months. Credit card annual fee, $0. Banknote with $sign rewards, 1.5% unlimited cash back on all purchases. Why it stands out. Although technically marketed as a business card, freelancers and sole proprietors, even with a side hustle like Uber or etc., can qualify. You get a massive bonus with no category tracking and solid flat rate cash back. Pro tip: points can be transferred to a Chase Sapphire card for enhanced travel value, worth up to $1,125 plus. 2. Wells Fargo Autograph Journey Card, Intro Offer Version. Airplane best for travel points with flexible redemption. Money Bag Bonus, 60,000 points equals $600 value. Bullseye Spend Requirement, $4,000 in 3 months. Credit card annual fee, $0. Limited time offer, may change. Rewards. 5x on travel booked through Wells Fargo. 3x on restaurants, streaming, transit, gas. 1x on everything else. Why it stands out. Wells Fargo stepped up its game in 2025 with this highly competitive offer. You earn flexible points that can be used for flights, hotels, or cash with bonus categories most people spend in every week. Pro tip: combine this with a Wells Fargo checking account for extra perks like relationship bonuses. 3. Chase Freedom Unlimited Registered Trademark, with Partner Offer Bonus. Best for everyday consumers who want bonus stacking. Money Bag Bonus, $200 base plus 5% back on grocery/online shopping equals $500 plus value. Bullseye Spend Requirement, $500 in first 3 months, plus max category earnings. Credit card annual fee, $0. Rewards. 5% on travel through Chase Ultimate Rewards Registered Trademark. 3% on dining and drugstores. 1.5% on everything else. Why it stands out. This card rewards both new and long-term users. It offers a low spend requirement and stackable categories that let you rack up serious cash back. Pro tip: if you have a Chase Sapphire card, your points convert into valuable travel miles. 4. U.S. Bank Business Leverage Registered Trademark Visa Signature Registered Trademark Card. Office Building Best for Business Expenses across multiple categories. Money Bag Bonus, $750 cash back. Bullseye Spend Requirement, $7,500 in 120 days. Credit Card Annual Fee, $0 first year, then $95, can be avoided with promotions or downgrades. Banknote with $sign rewards. 2% cash back on top 2 categories each month. 1% everywhere else. Why it stands out? It automatically assigns your top 2 spending categories every month, no need to enroll or choose manually. That's perfect for businesses with rotating needs. Pro tip: many users downgrade after year 1 to avoid the fee while keeping their account open for credit history. 5. Bank of America Registered Trademark Customized Cash Rewards Credit Card. Bank Best for customizable 3% cash back and preferred rewards clients. Money Bag Bonus, $200 and up to $300 plus in 3% category bonuses. Bullseye Spend Requirement, $1,000 in 90 days. Credit Card Annual Fee, $0. Banknote with $sign rewards. 3% in category of your choice: gas, online shopping, dining, travel, etc. 2% at grocery and wholesale clubs. 1% elsewhere. Why it stands out? With this card, you choose your own 3% category every month. And if you bank with Buffet, your rewards can increase up to 75%, making this a $500 plus card in total yearly value. Pro tip: pair this with a checking account and reach Platinum Honors for maximum multiplier benefits. How to maximize your sign-up bonus. You only get the bonus once per card, sometimes per lifetime, so don't waste the opportunity. Here's how to hit your spend goals and get the full bonus. 1. Stack everyday bills. Use your new card for groceries, gas, insurance, cell phone/internet bills, streaming services. 2. Prepay or preload. Load your Amazon balance. Pay your car insurance in advance. Prepay utility bills if allowed. 3. Use for big one-time expenses. Book a vacation or business trip. Pay taxes, with a small fee, if worth it. Buy furniture or electronics you already needed. 4. Add an authorized user. Some cards offer extra points or bonuses if an authorized user makes a purchase. Plus, it helps build their credit too. Warning sign: common mistakes to avoid. Even with great offers, it's easy to mess up and lose your bonus. Watch out for crossmark: not hitting the spend requirement. Set calendar reminders to track your 90-day window. Crossmark: missing a payment. One late payment can void your bonus and damage your credit score. Crossmark: redeeming points at low value. Cashback is simple, but if you're earning travel points, redeem through portals or transfer partners to get the best bang for your buck. Can you apply for multiple $500 plus bonus cards? Yes, with caution. Applying for multiple cards can work if you space applications 3 to 6 months apart. Keep your credit utilization low. Avoid applying for cards from the same issuer back-to-back, especially Chase. Chase's 5/24 rule: if you've opened 5 or more cards in the past 24 months, from any bank, you'll be denied for most Chase cards including their top offers. Checkered flag: final thoughts: who should get a $500 plus no-fee bonus card? These cards are best for white heavy checkmark budget-savvy users who want free rewards. White heavy checkmark new homeowners or travelers with big expenses coming up. White heavy checkmark business owners or freelancers looking to offset costs. White heavy checkmark anyone who wants free cash without paying a fee. If you're already spending money on everyday purchases, you might as well get paid $500 plus to do it and keep the card open to boost your credit over time. Wrapped present: want personalized card recommendations? Tell me your monthly spending and goals, cashback versus travel, and I'll build a custom card stack that earns you the maximum possible rewards with no annual fees.